Now, as you see, we just installed the new laptop that was broken from the old one. We can see that. Now we're going to put the casing back on. You have to make sure you get this inside. These little things are very hard to get inside of the piece. Click it down. You should hear it click. Go down on the thing. Now you want to snap it. Snap it. Snap. 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 Snap all the way around. Now what you want to do is bring it up and put your screws back in to the top. Another screw is going to come in and put on this side. Now you want to put a little screw down at the bottom and screw it into the squares at the bottom of your screen. And you want to put the last one in. It's very tiny, so you have to be very careful. And that's how I replace my laptop screen. It's brand new, not broken, everything is fine. And it was a Toshiba Vision satellite screen. It's not broken anymore, and it's good. That was my Toshiba installation. Bye. Don't forget to go to www.laptopscreen.com. Bye-bye.